Hi everyone, welcome to Tungabhadra Networks. So everyone is looking for real-time projects. So I'm going to start a real-time project training from next week. And next week from Saturday. Okay. So why I was waiting, I ordered a new rack. I ordered so many devices. So I'm ordering a servers also. So I want to give you everything. I want to explain you everything practically now. So real-time project consists of ticketing tools, monitoring tools, P1, P2 issues like BGP, P1, P2 critical issues, and bug issues, hardware issues, protocol issues, and in case if any P1 comes, outage comes, how you interact with the teams, what are the things you need to check, what are the things you need to ask the customer, each and everything. This training duration is 12 days. So initially, first few days, I will explain you each and everything, especially for non-technical people. They don't know anything, right? I'm teaching you all the protocols, how you implement, where you implement, everything I will teach you at practical level. But you don't have hands-on experience, right? To get a hands-on experience, now we have the devices. So we order so many devices, L3 switches, EX Juniper switches, everyone is completing internship, right? Internship consists of Cisco, Juniper, Palo Alto. So we are also ordering Palo Alto devices. So currently we have Juniper and Cisco devices in the rack. You can configure MPLS also, L3 switches, BGP, anything, whatever we implemented in GNS3, right? So the thing is, so far I gave a training on all the complex protocols, and also I explained how exactly we implemented in real time, right? Same way I explained here, and I gave a topology. We implemented all the topologies in GNS3. Now it's time to learn on real world labs. Okay, so I ordered so many devices, and now it will take around 3 to 4 days. Okay, so I want to give you training offline only. Okay, offline, if you come offline, I will explain you cables, SFP issues. 90% of the issues comes with layer 1 only, because all the protocols will establish if the layer 1 is clear. So I will explain you each and everything, like L1 issues, SFP issues, copper SFPs, and each and everything from L1 to L7, all level of troubleshooting I will explain you. Okay, so yeah, so it's a very good opportunity, guys. So I took almost one month of time. I was waiting for it here. So I'm installing new tools, ticketing tools. I will show you if any interface down, what kind of ticket it will create. So each and everything I will explain it. Okay, so from this Saturday, okay, the new batch will start. Okay, so whoever is interested, right, especially non-technical people or people who are working in support roles or NOC level, right? If you want to get a good exposure on a complex environment, right? So if you want to know that kind of knowledge, this is the right time. Okay, so kindly contact my team to enroll this real-time project. Okay, yeah, thank you so much.